You needed me? Oh, okay. Not feeling good? Oh, well, what are you feeling? Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. Like some pressure? Okay, well, I could take your temperature. Here, hold on, let me... Your forehead does feel a little hot. You want to try the thermometer? Yeah, open your mouth. Okay. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay. 97.8. That's a good temperature. Okay, you should feel a lot better. But, just in case, here, I'm getting you, some food. Okay. Okay. Here you go. You got your favorite? Yes, it's soup. I'm sorry. Well, I warmed it up and, you want me to spoon feed you with it? Okay. Open? Uh, yeah, okay. You want me to eat some of it? Make sure I didn't poison you? Okay, sorry. No. Well, don't look at me. Okay. See? It's not that hot. Here, let's check your temperature again. Here. No, see, it's only a few degrees different because, you just drank some warm soup, you know? Here's a little more. Are you okay? Okay, what other symptoms you've been having? A little sadness? Oh, I don't know if that has anything to do with like, illness. Maybe that could be a vitamin deficiency? It could just be that they don't feel so good. Okay, well, would you like, a heating pad? Okay, here, let me get it started. Hold on. Here. I can also, my hand's kind of warm. Would you like to try that? Okay. How's this? Okay, the heating pad's just taking a moment. Let me eat some more of your soup, okay? It's so good. And I wish I could have focused more on you instead of making food, but, I knew that food was kind of important, you know, just to feel better. Okay. So, heating pad, let's put that right on your chest. You want it there? Okay. No? Okay. Well, where do you want it? Okay. Yeah. There you go. And notice how warm it is. How nice it is. Does it feel nice? You look really cozy. Good. Oh. Well, yeah. You want me to entertain you? Sure. Hold on. Let me see what I can do. Okay. What about, here? You want me to tell you about what I think it could be? Okay, so it could be a vitamin deficiency. You know, I'm not a doctor, but, I know that you really haven't been taking good care of yourself. You need to start focusing more on, you know, how you are and what you need to eat, you know. I know I shouldn't be parenting you, but sometimes a boy needs help, you know? And if you need help, it's nice to bring it up to me and be like, hey, I don't eat good, and I'll help you with that. Oh, I'm sorry you don't feel good. But yeah, I know. It is a little hot in here. You want me to put the fan on you? Okay. Well, it's quiet, but, yeah, I have the fan right here. Here, I can... Sorry, I got distracted. You look so tired and... I don't want to, Here. Okay, it could be like, maybe you had too much caffeine today? Because you noticed that you had a little bit of a headache and other things. Here, let me kiss your forehead. How would that sound, Let me see. That feel better? Need another kiss? Okay. How's that? Is that better? No. Oh. You just need someone to take care of you. Oh, you just need someone to help. Oh, if I knew sooner, you would have just told me. That's okay. I'm here now. You want to try to go to bed? Yeah. Okay. Here, make sure to stay hydrated, okay? You want me to hold the cup for you while you drink it? No? Yeah? It's up to you, baby. I'm just here to, make sure that you feel a little bit better, even though you're a little red in the face and you're kind of, just not looking that good. Let me see. Well, is your shirt bothering you? We can take that off. Want me to take that off for you? Are you already shirtless? Well, you need to get comfortable, okay? So whatever you need to get comfortable. Yeah, okay. Well, I guess we can try to get some sleep. Yeah, I guess another thing that it could be is that maybe you're just so tired. You do need to get some sleep. You have not been sleeping well. You complain that you're tired. Of course you're tired. You sleep like what, 6 hours? 7 hours? Probably less. Don't make me track your sleep now. If I turn into your doctor, I might not be a nice doctor. I might be very, strict at how you eat and how you... I don't think you'd like that. But, sorry, your soup is really good. It tastes really good, and I want you to eat more of it because it does contain carrots and other vegetables. Oh, I should have known. Okay, well, I try my best, and I can always modify and go to whatever you'd like, I'm just gonna help you go to bed now, okay? You want to be kissed to bed? Yeah, here. Mwah. Sorry, I didn't mean to kiss. Good night. And, I care about you. And yes, you'll be able to sleep. I turned the heating pad off. You should be able to sleep. It's okay. Okay, let's just be quiet and enjoy the quiet together. Good night, honey. I'm gonna sleep right here next to you. Now, just wherever you want me to lay down at, just direct me there, okay? I won't overheat you, or if you're cold, I can snuggle up with you and keep you warm. Yeah. Good night. The soup's fine right there. It's empty, see? Here, you ready for bed? Alright, let's just snuggle and go to bed. I'll see you when we wake up. You can't sleep yet. Just fall asleep and let me put you to bed, okay? I love you. Oh, you feel so warm. I checked your temperature twice now. You want to take my temperature to make sure it's accurate? Okay, hold on. What temperature does it say? 98.9? Oh, okay. That means it's working. Okay, well, you don't have a fever. And here, I have some Tylenol. Would you like that? I mean, I know you don't have a fever, but it'll help you with pain. Would you like that? And I can rub your shoulders? Okay, well, it's up to you. Okay. I like taking care of you. It's no bother at all. Of course. I have a lot of love, and I love caring for, those I care about. Yeah, I'm sorry you don't feel so good. But, you want to sleep in tomorrow? Yeah. And I'll massage you, and we can watch your TV shows all day, and you can eat in your room. Yeah, you want me to break that rule for it? Oh, alright, well, I care about you, and try to fall asleep, okay? I love you. Time for sleep.